With thousands of cryptocurrency projects in the market, how do you choose the right one to invest in? The competition is fierce and the risks are real. But what if there's one project that stands out with its innovative approach to blockchain technology? Cosmos Atom may offer a unique opportunity for investors looking to benefit from the future of blockchain interoperability. With its growing ecosystem and strong technological foundation, could Atom be a game-changing asset in the long run? In this video we'll dive deep into Cosmos, a crypto project that's revolutionizing the way blockchains connect and communicate. We'll explore what makes Cosmos unique, analyze its price prediction, and help you decide if it's the right investment for you. Stick around to learn why this could be a game-changing opportunity. Nothing herein shall be construed to be financial, legal, investment, or tax advice. Please do your research and use your best judgment when dealing with cryptocurrencies, and don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. We believe that the key to any successful investing lies in making informed decisions by uncovering and searching the details of the project you're interested in. To evaluate whether Cosmos is a good investment, we'll examine the project based on several key factors. Afterward, we'll provide a realistic price prediction based on the analysis. We'll also search the pros and cons of investing in Cosmos based on the price prediction. Technology and use case. Cosmos aims to solve one of blockchain's core problems: interoperability. Its goal is to enable different blockchains to communicate with each other in a decentralized way, allowing data to flow across independent chains. This approach is crucial for the future of blockchain as it breaks the isolation of current chains. The Cosmos blockchain operates using the Tendermint consensus mechanism, known for its scalability and speed. The Cosmos SDK, software development kit, also makes it easier for developers to build and customize their own blockchains, contributing to Cosmos' growing ecosystem. The use case for Cosmos is strong, particularly in the growing DeFi and cross-chain sector, where blockchain interoperability is vital. Team and advisors. Cosmos was developed by Tendermint Incorporated, with its founders Jae Kwon and Ethan Buckman playing a pivotal role in designing the architecture. Both founders are well respected in the blockchain space. Although Jae Kwon stepped down from his leadership role in 2020, the project continues to be developed and managed by the Interchain Foundation, which keeps the vision intact. The strong founding team and subsequent governance through the Interchain Foundation lend credibility to Cosmos, ensuring steady development and adherence to its roadmap. Market demand and adoption. Cosmos is one of the leaders in blockchain interoperability, making it an important player as more projects seek to connect with different blockchains. Its ecosystem, known as the Cosmos Hub, continues to expand, and projects such as Terra, BINANCE Chain, and Kava are built on Cosmos, increasing its use cases. Despite the market downturn, Cosmos' growing adoption across various sectors ensures continued demand for its Atom token in the long run. Tokenomics. The Atom token powers the Cosmos network and is used for governance and staking. Cosmos does not have a hard-capped supply, making it inflationary by design. This inflation supports network security and rewards validators and stackers. However, over time, inflationary pressures could affect the token price unless offset by increased demand. The staking model is crucial in maintaining the network, where holders can earn rewards by securing the network, which promotes long-term holding. Development progress and roadmap. Cosmos is continuously evolving. The Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol, a key milestone, was launched in 2021, enabling different blockchains to transfer tokens and data seamlessly. The team has further updates planned, including enhancements to the Cosmos Hub and more efficient cross-chain solutions. Cosmos is actively improving its platform with regular updates, including recent releases of its SDK, making the platform more flexible and secure. These developments are expected to improve Cosmos usability and drive adoption in the coming years. Community and social sentiment. Cosmos has a vibrant and engaged community that believes in the long-term vision of the project. The community, developers, and investors alike have expressed strong support for the project's mission to create a more interconnected blockchain ecosystem. Cosmos social media and GitHub repositories remain active, with significant developer contributions. While the current market sentiment is bearish, long-term holders show resilience and continue to stake Atom. Regulatory and legal considerations. Cosmos is positioned well in terms of regulatory risk. The focus on providing blockchain infrastructure rather than acting as a financial instrument helps it avoid some of the scrutiny faced by other projects. However, like all crypto assets, Cosmos could be affected by broader regulatory decisions that influence the market. Competitor analysis. Cosmos faces competition from other blockchain interoperability projects like Polkadot, which also aims to enable cross-chain communication. However, Cosmos' early entry into the space and its robust SDK give it a competitive advantage. Both projects are strong contenders, but Cosmos' focus on ease of integration and modularity through the Cosmos SDK sets it apart. Market conditions and timing. Cosmos has been impacted by the broader crypto market downturn, but it is poised to recover as the overall market sentiment improves. Market timing will be crucial, and with significant updates and integrations on the horizon, Cosmos could see growth as the market turns bullish again. In the short term, Cosmos faces market pressure, but its long-term prospects are promising due to its strong use case, technology, and ecosystem growth. Short-term volatility is a concern, so timing your entry is crucial, especially given the bearish trends in technical indicators. Cosmos Atom Price Prediction. Cosmos offers a promising long-term investment outlook, but it faces a challenging short-term market environment. The project is centered on solving blockchain interoperability, which remains a critical issue in the crypto space. Cosmos' innovative approach has established a solid ecosystem, but investor sentiment and market conditions currently weigh heavily on its price. In the short-term outlook, Cosmos is in a consolidation phase, with its price hovering around $4.57 to $5.14. It has been facing downward pressure, with technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and moving averages signaling bearish sentiment. However, if broader market sentiment improves, Cosmos could see a recovery toward $9.80 to $14.50, with a potential short-term rally bringing it as high as $14.50 if bullish momentum takes hold. This would represent a 100% to 200% increase from current levels. In the long-term outlook, Cosmos shows significant potential for growth. With continuous upgrades, including the recent Cosmos SDK enhancements, the project is positioned to benefit from future blockchain development. By 2025, the price could reach $37.50, with further upside to $53.80 by 2026 if market conditions remain favorable. Long-term projections suggest Cosmos could even approach $104 by 2030, though this would require the project to outperform its competition and the market to experience sustained bullish conditions. The potential for a 1,000% increase over several years stirs FOMO among long-term investors. Cosmos could be the shining star in your portfolio, especially with its unique approach to interoperability and growing ecosystem. The current dip might be the opportunity to accumulate Atom while it's still below its all-time high. But remember, the market can be unpredictable, so stay vigilant and watch for confirmation of a sustained market recovery. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons of investing in Cosmos Atom, based on the price predictions and other key aspects we covered. Pros of investing in Cosmos. Strong use case. Cosmos addresses a critical issue in the blockchain space: interoperability. Its focus on connecting different blockchains allows for greater functionality, positioning it as a key player in the growing decentralized finance and cross-chain space. Continuous development. Cosmos has a solid development track record, with constant updates and improvements such as the launch of the Interblockchain Communication Protocol. The recently upgraded Cosmos SDK improves its flexibility and security, making it attractive for developers to build upon. Growing ecosystem. Cosmos already hosts major projects like BINANCE Chain and Terra, which use its technology. As more projects join its ecosystem, the demand for Atom is expected to rise, contributing to price appreciation. Community support and staking. The project has a loyal and engaged community. The staking model allows investors to earn passive income, which can help offset inflationary pressure from the token's supply. Cons of investing in Cosmos. High volatility. Like most cryptocurrencies, Cosmos is subject to significant price volatility. Recent trends show that Cosmos has been struggling, with bearish market sentiment prevailing in the short term. Investors must be prepared for potential price fluctuations and short-term losses. Inflationary tokenomics. Atom does not have a capped supply, which means it is inflationary. While this supports network security and staking rewards, it also puts downward pressure on the price if demand doesn't rise fast enough to match the increasing supply. Regulatory uncertainty. Although Cosmos is not directly involved in regulatory battles like some DeFi projects, the entire cryptocurrency market faces regulatory uncertainty. Changes in regulations could impact Cosmos, especially in jurisdictions that might impose stricter rules on blockchain projects. Fierce competition. Cosmos faces competition from other interoperability-focused projects, such as Polkadot. While Cosmos has first-mover advantages, Polkadot's growth could take market share away from Cosmos if it doesn't continue innovating quickly enough. Short-term bearish trends. In the short term, technical indicators are showing bearish signals for Cosmos. Price predictions for 2024 suggest only moderate growth unless broader market sentiment turns bullish. Investors looking for quick returns may not find Atom as attractive compared to other crypto assets with more immediate upside potential. Investing in Cosmos Atom offers a high-risk, high-reward opportunity, especially for long-term investors. Its solid use case in blockchain interoperability, growing ecosystem, and continuous development make it a promising candidate for those willing to hold through market fluctuations. However, potential investors must carefully consider the inflationary tokenomics, market volatility, and strong competition before making a decision. Share your opinion, experiences, and questions about Cosmos in the comments section below. Let's engage in a productive discussion and continue exploring the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. If you found this price prediction analysis helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos where we break down more promising crypto projects' price predictions. However, like all investments, it's crucial to weigh the potential risks and rewards carefully. Remember, the key to successful investing in the crypto market is thorough research and staying informed.